Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing something that students, school children, office users and even people who enjoy journaling and coloring are going to find this interesting. This is Hauser Germany EXO Color Gel Pen set, and inside this pack you get different ink colors. But at the first glance, it looked like a colorful gel pen set. But there are a couple of questions that immediately come to mind. Are these pens just colorful or do they actually write smoothly? Do all the 12 colors show up clearly on the paper? And are the metallic colors like silver and gold actually useful, or are they usually there just to make the pack look more attractive? We are going to open the packet, take out every pen, test the color one by one, check the writing feel, and then I will tell you what I didn't like about it and what it could be better. So let's open it. So friends, I'm going to open this Hauser Germany EXO Color Gel Pen Pack. Before that, I'll tell you the front clearly says there are 12 ink colors. So this isn't a pack of the same pen in different bodies. You're actually getting 12 different ink shades. The packaging is colorful and give you an idea of the what are the colors inside. Let's turn it around and show the backpack. The back mentioned that the content are Hauser EXO Color Gel Pen and the net quantity is 12 pieces. The manufacturer date, which is printed on the back, is October 2025. The pack also mentioned that the company liability is restricted to replacement of the pen only. The manufacturer is Flair Writing Industries Limited and the Hauser is brought to you by Flair. Now let's open the pack because that's the fun part. So friends, I'm going to open the pack. So here it is. Take all the pen out. So I'm taking all the 12 pens which are there. So these are the 12 pens that we get. The first thing you'll notice is the cap. It makes it easy to identify the ink color. This is something I really appreciate in colored pen set because you don't want to keep scribbling on paper to find the color you are looking for. Let's count the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 all together. So we have purple, which is also known as violet. This is the black one. This is the yellow or the gold one. This is the pink one. This is the orange one. This is the light blue one. This is the dark blue one. This is the, can you guess which color it is? This is the green one. That was dark green and this is light green. And this is the silver color. This is the gray one. And this is the red one. Let me put this red. Yes, this is the red one. So there is a nice mix here. You get the everyday colors like black, blue, red and green, but there are also brighter colors that are useful for heading, notes, planners and creative work. Now rather than just looking at them, so I'll use some of the few colors. First I'll start with the black. I'll write my daughter name, Clarissa. The black ink look bold and will work well for normal writing. Now let's test the dark blue color. This is the another color that I'm testing, that is Clarissa. This is another color that could easily be used for school and office notes. Now let's try the red color. I'll write Clarissa. The red is bright and stand out nicely. Now moving on to the green, the light green which I'll use. This is the light green. I'm writing Clarissa, which is noticeably softer than the regular green. Now let's try the orange one. Clarissa. This one is vibrant and will be good for highlighting, heading or making colorful notes. Next is the pink one. Clarissa. Then purple. The purple one, okay. Wait. Clarissa. So this is the purple one. I think purple is one of those colors that work really well for creative writing. Now light blue or sky blue. Let's try Clarissa. This is much lighter than the dark blue pen, which you can notice it over here. Now the gray, Clarissa. Gray is little more unusual in a gel pen set and it could be useful when you want something softer than black. And finally, the two special colors, that is the silver and gold. Clarissa. These are the ones I was most curious about because metallic colors often look very different depending on the paper. Now with the silver color I'll be writing. The golden is done. Now Clarissa. So this is the silver color. So these two are on the white paper. You can see the metallic effect, especially when you move the paper under the light. These aren't colors I will use every day for writing long notes, but for cards, decoration, craft project, or journaling, they definitely add something different. Now, last color which is there, that is green. It's a little dark green. Clarissa. Now let's talk about how the pen actually feel while writing. I am writing a few lines with different colors, and you've already seen that. The pen glides reasonably smooth across the paper, and because they are gel pen, the ink appears quite quickly. The writing feels more fluid than a standard ball pen. For everyday writing, I will probably use the black, dark blue, red, and green most often. The bright colors like orange, pink, purple, and sky blue are more suited to heading, color coding, or creative notes. And the silver and gold pen are clearly the specialty colors in the set. One thing I also like the variety. You don't have to buy a separate metallic pen or a separate pastel color set because this pack gives you a little bit of everything. Now, who will I recommend this to? I think school students will enjoy them for making colorful notes. Children could use them for drawing and project. People who keep planners or journals will probably make use of the pink, purple, sky blue, silver, and gold colors. And even office user might find the standard color useful for everyday work. Instead, the most important thing here are the numbers of pen, the colors, the writing experience, and the bill quality. But before I give my final verdict, we still need to talk about the pros and cons. Because a set can have a lot of colors and still have a few things that could be improved. And if you're interested in buying this set, I've kept the Amazon purchase link in the description so you can check the current price and availability there. Now let's get into the good point, the limitation and whether I think this 12 color Hauser gel pen are worth buying. Benefit, pros, cons, final verdict. Now that we have opened the pack and tested all the 12 colors, let's talk about what stand out. The biggest advantage is obviously the variety of colors. You aren't just getting the usual black, blue, red, and green. You also get light green, orange, pink, purple, sky blue, gray, silver, and gold. That means the set can handle both everyday writing and creative work. Another thing I like is that the cap color match the ink color, which makes it much easier to pick the pen you want. If you have ever used a mixed pen set where all the pens look almost identical, you will know how useful that can be. The gel ink also gives a smooth writing experience. During my writing test, the ink came out without needing to press very hard, but a little for the purple one is little it didn't work for me properly at the first time when later started. Now let's break down the benefit of the first 12 different colors. They give plenty of options for school notes, project planners, and drawings. Second, useful color selection. The pack includes everyday writing colors as well as brighter and metallic shades. Third, smooth gel writing. The pen produces fluid lines without requiring much pressure. Fourth, color-coded caps. It's easy to identify the pen before you start writing. Fifth is the creative options. The silver and gold pen add something extra for cards, craft, and decorating writing. Now let's talk about the pros. The first pros is versatility. One set can be used for studying, journaling, project, and everyday writing. The second is convenience. Instead of buying multiple colored pens separately, everything comes together in one pack. Third is the range of shades. I particularly like that they include both dark and light green, dark and sky blue, and even grey. That gives you more choice than many basic color packs. The fourth is the metallic pen. They aren't essential for everyday writing, but they make the set feel more complete. Now let's be fair and discuss the cons. The first is that not every color is equally practical. For example, silver and gold look attractive, but I probably wouldn't use them for taking class notes or writing documents. They are more specialized. The second is that lighter shades such as sky blue or grey may not stand out as much as the black or the dark blue, especially on certain paper. So they are better suited to decorative writing than important notes. The third is the gel pen can sometimes use ink faster than ordinary ball pen, especially if you write a lot. That isn't unique to this particular set, but is something to keep in mind if you plan to use them every day. As for the manufacturer details, these pens are made by Flair Writing Industries Limited in Daman, India. The pack also provides customer care contact information through Hauser, including a phone number, email address, and website. The manufacturing date on this pack is October 2025 and the not quantity is 12 pieces. The price area on this particular package, as I got it from the gift, so I don't know what is the MRP. So I will let you know once you comment. So are the Hauser Exo Color Gel Pen worth buying? If you're looking for a colorful gel pen set that covers both everyday writing and creative use, I think this is a nice option. The biggest strength is the versatility. You get 4 practical writing colors, several bright color for color coding, and 2 metallic shades for decorative work. The pen feels smooth while writing, and the color-coded caps make the set easy to use. For students, I think this will be especially useful for making colorful notes or organizing subject by color. For children, the variety make them fun for school, project, and drawing. And for journaling or planner, color like pink, purple, sky blue, silver, and gold give you more creative choices than standard pen set. The only thing I would like to keep in mind is that not every color will be used equally often. Most people will probably finish the black and dark blue pen before the silver or gold one, but that's fairly normal with any mixed color set. Overall, I think that the Hauser EXO Color Gel Pen 12 color pack offers a good balance between practical and creative color. It's not just a novelty set, the everyday colors are genuinely useful, while the bigger and the metallic pens add variety. If you are interested in buying it, I've kept the Amazon purchase link in the description where you can check the latest price and availability. Now, I want to know from you, which color will you like the most, black and blue, the brighter colors like pink, orange, or purple? And do you actually use silver and gold pen, or do they mostly stay in the box? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, please like the video, share it with a student, parents, or stationery lovers, and subscribe to the channel for more honest product review. And don't forget to check the next video on the end screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye friends.